who of course was named UEFA Champions League Player of the Season in the draw. We'll say thank you very much to Luis, who will be back.
Just to see who fits in with who. Let's see, Juventus. Busquets is back after serving his ban.
Real Sociedad 4-1 on match day 2 to the pitch from the bench of Barcelona's young teenage genius Ansu Fati, starting on the bench once again today as Xavi seeks to... He takes on Escudero, gets past him, gets into the area. Still Rafinha fails to get the ball out from under his feet, but wins the up from him as well. Driving to the byline, well defended in the end by Joaquin Fernandez. It'll be corner number Barcelona, and Girona man chips it in. It's well played in and collected comfortably by... Well, and there's plenty of experience on the bench. Still Dembele. Rafinha. Gavi with the cutback. It's to Anwar. There's a chase for Dembele. It does really well and gets...
Attacking again.
There's a chance, and the shot from home fans. It's an outswinger. Greeted in the air by Javi Sanchez. Free kick. The challenge on Jules. The cross is a good one! Oh. And somehow the ball doesn't go in. Lewandowski off the post, struggling from supine position to try and get a touch with it as the ball bobbled back in front of him. Quite astonishing that the score remains 0-0. The clearest chance of the game so far. Space there to find Gavi. Gavi hesitating, hits it straight at Joaquin Fernandez, wins a corner. But he had by Gavi to Dembele. Dembele drives it in to take little backheeler to Gavi. Lewandowski on the turn. It takes a deflection. Guess what? It'll be another corner for Barcelona.
Move the ball quicker and make those runs are crucial.
Lovely ball from turn 2. Picks out Dembele. Dembele with a left foot off the top of the crossbar. Barcelona hitting the woodwork for the second occasion. And from Rafinha. It's hoiked over the top by Rafinha, and it's blocked by Masip, who can't hold it. The ball goes out for another corner. Rafinha with the cross to the far post, and this time Lewandowski makes absolutely no mistake. You talked about needing a superstar. The service was there as well. Lewandowski makes it 1-0 to Barcelona. 23 minutes on the clock. It's a fabulous finish. And Lewandowski with the opening goal of the game, having collected a brace up in San Sebastian last weekend, deservedly putting Barcelona. There's a chase back for Balde. Under pressure, so they'd be able to cover as Rafinha twists and turns and drags it wide of the goal. The present finding Dembele. Dembele turning and puts it back for Dembele. Thought about a shot. Instead,
and was the runs from midfielders. As we see Barca, they keep running to it.
There's Gavi. Gavi's cross wide. Gavi's cross again, just too firm for Lewandowski. He claims it should be a corner. Still Dembele. Gets it onto the left foot. That was on target. Jordi Masip judging his dive, battling for it. He is such a battler.
Yeah. And
De Burgos Bengoechea has seen something there. The two Valladolid players down.
Yeah, they clash into each other, trying to stop Gavi.
And it's what happens when
Guardiola does well to find Rafinha, and the referee calls back the action to give a free. Cuts inside. Lovely ball. What a fabulous goal. Pedri with the finish. Barcelona lethal on the transition, and that is absolutely joyful to watch. With just over 2 minutes to go before the break, Barcelona double their lead. Pedri to watching Valladolid in the last spell in the top flight would make Escudero goes down and wins a free kick. Well, there's a good free kick, and it's Eric Garcia very nearly heads home into his own goal. But there's no time for more at the Spotify Camp Nou, as referee De Burgos.
It's good company with Oscar Plano playing behind him.
Dembele on this summer, here's one of them. Rafinha, great run from him, and did everything right except find the final ball, but he does win. It's a gorgeous ball. Gavi Gary goes down.
Let's see what he does.
It's going to be Rafinha. He clearly does go for Plano. Dispossessed by Gavi. The ball played through to Lewandowski. Joaquin Fernandez just getting back. Rafinha. Koundé again. Wins another corner. This time it was blocked by Lewandowski. That's well done by Luis. Ball to Lewandowski. Nutmeg included. Little back healer from Rafinha. Combining with Rafinha. Koundé looks up. Drives the cross.
You know, the assist for Lewandowski, the cross early after 12 as well.
Recap, here's Sergio Leon. Puts a cross in. Look at that run from Dembele. Finds Lewandowski.
Oh, no.
What a magnificent finish from Robert Lewandowski. It's his 4th goal of the season. Already on magnificent form. 2 braces on the trot for Barcelona's new number 9. That was absolutely magical finishing from a master of the craft. Robert Lewandowski puts Barcelona 3.
There's a game kicked off at 7:30 p.m. Spanish time, and it's not usual football.
And it's a great save from Ter Stegen. Oscar Plano cleared off the line brilliantly by the debut. Here's Roque Mesa. Now's a chance, and surely Anwar Tuami will be regretting that one. Roque Mesa getting away. 3 against 3. Ansu Fati. Brilliant save for Masip, and the ball hawked away by Joaquin Fernandez. Finding Sergio Roberto. Pedri cutting it back. Pedri cuts it back. Dembele gets it onto the right foot. Into the side netting, he struck that firm. Even more special. Claims for a foul on Lewandowski, and there's a...
In the corner.
There's Lewandowski off the bar, and it's the easiest of finishes for Sergio Roberto. And you have to say, when you see the star-studded lineup that Xavi has on the pitch and on the bench behind him. Rafinha with the cross to the far post, and this time Lewandowski makes absolutely no mistake. You talked about needing a superstar. The service was there as well. Lewandowski makes it 1-0 to Barcelona. 23 minutes on the clock. It's a fabulous finish, and Lewandowski with the opening goal of the game, having collected a brace up in San Sebastian last weekend. Deservedly putting Barcelona. Cuts inside. Lovely ball. What a fabulous goal. Pedri with the finish. Barcelona lethal on the transition, and that is absolutely joyful to watch. With just over 2 minutes to go before the break, Barcelona double their lead. Pedri. Look at that run from Dembele. Finds Lewandowski.
Oh, no.
What a magnificent finish from Robert Lewandowski. It's his 4th goal of the season. Already on magnificent form. 2 braces on the trot for Barcelona's new number 9. That was absolutely magical finishing from a master of the craft. Robert Lewandowski puts Barcelona 3.
In the corner.
There's Lewandowski off the bar, and it's the easiest of finishes for Sergio Roberto. And you have to say, when you see the star-studded lineup that Xavi has on the pitch and on the bench behind him.
Thôi đừng bật nhạc. Đừng bật nhạc.